really the last like 2 years, but specifically with 2026, it's a pivotal year when it comes to our credit profiles and how things are ran. Things are just going to look different than they ever have before. And in that, it will change the way that we like deal with credit. It'll change our approvals. It'll also change just different qualifications that lenders are looking for. And I told you guys yesterday about the banking, the new banking standard, like in that companies are looking at our bank accounts. They're giving access to our bank accounts, and specifically looking at our cash flow in a way that they've never had access to ever before. And but they have it now. They have it now, and so it's here. There's nothing really we can do about it except prepare. It is something that we have to take hold to, and we have to really pay attention to, and we have to really start to think about the banking signals that we're sending. Because if you guys don't know, the banks, they are now having access to our bank account, and what they're looking for is our cash flow. So like in the past, credit has always been based on our credit report, how we manage debt, what the credit bureaus are reporting, what our current creditors and lenders are reporting to the credit bureaus. However, in 2026 and going forward, we have a new number one, we have a new version of our credit score, which is FICO 10T. And that the T in FICO 10T stands for trended data. So companies are not only gaining access to our credit reports, but they're also gaining access to our cash flow and our bank account. And also they're looking at what's called trended data. So that's what the T in FICO 10T stands for. It stands for trended data. So they're literally looking at how we're currently managing our debt, managing our money, managing our responsibilities, but also what is the trajectory, or what do they project that how we will handle it within the next 2 months. And so in that, they're getting a glimpse of about a 24-month history on all of our accounts, especially credit cards and loans, but also like our bank accounts. Companies are now partnering with banks and also Plaid and other companies that are bridging the gap between our credit report and our bank account. And it just again gives them a look inside of our bank account. So with that being said, this is the 2026 banking protocol that I would suggest for everyone to, you know, honestly adhere to if you want to borrow in 2026 and going forward, because this is not going anywhere. Like it's honestly the new standard. And yeah, it's really no escaping it at this point. So again, you can screenshot this. Lenders are now scoring your cash flow the same way that they score our credit scores.